In this video, we will discuss advanced endo features using the DS5 touchscreen. Begin by lifting the handpiece. Next, switch to endo mode. Beginning at the top left of the screen, there is a handpiece icon. This icon shows whether or not a handpiece is ready for apex location. The icon is gray when continuity has not yet been checked between the file and the lip clip. Touching the handpiece file to the lip clip confirms continuity. The icon turns green to indicate apex location is ready for use with the handpiece. When the handpiece is returned to its holder, the icon changes to show manual apex location. Touching the file in the manual apex locator tool to the lip clip confirms continuity, and the icon turns green to indicate apex location is ready for use. Below the apex ready indicator are file speed and max torque settings, both of which can be adjusted using the plus or minus buttons. Centered between the speed and torque settings is the apex depth gauge. The two arrows pointing inward on the depth gauge indicate when the auto depth function will trigger. The auto depth setpoint can be adjusted using the up and down arrows on either side of the gauge. As the file is inserted deeper into a tooth, bars on the gauge will illuminate to show depth. When the file enters different depth zones, the sides of the screen will flash and a sound will play highlighting file depth. Below the apex depth gauge are buttons for file rotation direction, workflow selection, and handpiece calibration. To calibrate a handpiece, first lift the handpiece with a file installed from the holder. Then select the calibration button and press start. The motor will engage, spinning the handpiece and file at various speeds to calibrate the motor with the specific handpiece and file currently installed. Once calibration is complete, the calibration button will turn green. Below the calibration button are the workflow steps. To change between steps, tap the left and right arrows. At the bottom of the screen are buttons for root complexity settings, auto torque settings, and auto depth settings. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.